Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here again. I'm David.
It is. How are you doing today, David?
I'm doing really great, thank you. I just had a nice cup of tea, so I'm feeling very relaxed.
Ooh, tea is perfect. I am doing well too, but I'm a little tired today.
Tired? Oh, no. But it's okay. Our topic today is perfect for tired people.
It is. I'm very excited for this topic. Today, we are talking about the night.
Ah, the night. Yes. What we do in the evening and when we go to bed.
Exactly. We will learn easy English words for our night routine.
That sounds wonderful. I love the evening. It's the best part of the day.
Me too. But wait, before we talk about sleep, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying this episode, please take 1 second and click the like button. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Daily Speak English so you never miss our new episodes.
And share this with a friend. If you have a friend learning English, we would love for them to join us.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, David, I'm ready to relax. Let's talk about the evening.
Let's do it.
So, Sarah, imagine the day is finished. Work is done. School is done.
Yes, that whew feeling is a good feeling.
It is. What is the first thing you do when you get home?
The first thing, I open the door and I take off my shoes.
Ah, yes. Shoes off. Me too. It feels so good.
It does, and I put my bag down and I change my clothes. This is very important.
Oh, 100%. I do that too. I take off my work clothes or my day clothes.
Yes, like your jeans or your nice shirt, and I put on my home clothes.
Yes, me too. What are your home clothes, David?
They are very comfortable. I have a very old, very soft t-shirt. It's blue.
Nice. And I have soft pants, not jeans.
Maybe sweatpants?
They are not beautiful, but oh, so comfortable.
I know exactly. I have a big pink sweater. It's my at-home sweater. It's like a warm hug.
A home sweater. That is a perfect name.
Okay, so we are comfortable. What is next?
Well, for me, I'm usually hungry.
Yes, me too. It is dinner time.
Dinner time. So, David, do you cook dinner every night?
Cook. I try to cook.
What do you mean?
I like cooking, but sometimes I am very tired from work. On tired days, I do not cook.
Ah, what do you do?
I order food. It's my secret.
That is not a secret, David. Many people order food. It's easy.
It is so easy. I use my phone and pizza, or maybe Thai food. I love noodles.
Pizza is so good. A perfect tired day food.
What about you? Do you cook?
I do. I like cooking. For me, cooking is relaxing.
Really? Wow.
Yes, I put on some nice music, jazz music, and I cut the vegetables. I make simple food, maybe chicken and rice, or a big salad or soup. I love making soup in the winter.
But we both eat dinner.
Yes, dinner is good. Okay, so dinner is finished. It is maybe 7:30 p.m.
Yes. Now what?
This is the best time. This is the relaxing time.
What do you do to relax, Sarah?
I like to sit on my sofa. My sofa is green and very soft.
The sofa is the best place in the house.
It is. I sit on my sofa and I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like to watch funny shows, comedies. I want to laugh in the evening.
Oh, that's nice. Laughing is a great way to relax.
What about you? Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but I like to read.
Oh, a book. That is nice.
Yes, I have a comfortable chair. It's my reading chair. I sit there and I read my book.
What kind of books do you read?
I like mystery books. You know, a detective, a big question. Who did it?
Sometimes I just listen to music.
Oh, like when you were cooking?
No, this is different. I sit down, I have my big headphones. I put them on and close my eyes.
And just listen?
Yes, for maybe 20 minutes. No phone, no TV, just music. It helps my brain feel quiet.
Wow, Sarah, that is a beautiful idea. My brain is always so busy.
My brain is always so busy. You should try it. It's wonderful.
Okay, but Sarah, do you always stay home?
What do you mean?
Do you ever go out in the evening? Nightlife?
Nightlife. That sounds very big and exciting.
Yes. Do you go dancing?
No. I do not go dancing. My nightlife is very quiet.
Me too, but sometimes, maybe on a Friday night, I go out.
Ah, yes. Friday night is different.
Yes, on Friday, I sometimes meet my friends. We go to a restaurant for dinner.
Ooh, that is fun, to talk and laugh with friends.
Yes, or we go to the cinema,
The movies. Yes, I love going to the movies.
buying the big popcorn.
Yes. The popcorn is very important. So maybe 1 or 2 nights a week I go out, but most nights I stay in.
I am the same. I am a homebody.
A homebody? What is that?
A homebody is a person who loves to be at home. Home is their favorite place.
Oh, well, then I am a homebody. I love my home.
Me too. My sofa, my books, it's perfect.
Okay, so we relaxed, we watched TV, we read a book. Now it's getting late.
Yes, it is maybe 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m.
And I start to feel sleepy.
Yes, your eyes feel heavy. It is bedtime.
I turn off the TV. I say goodnight to my cat.
Ooh, do you have a cat?
Yes, a small black cat. I say goodnight, Suki, and I go to the bathroom.
Ah, yes, the getting ready for bed routine.
First, I brush my teeth. Very important. Brush, brush, brush for 2 minutes.
Me too. I brush my teeth and I wash my face. I wash my face with warm water. It feels so good. It's like, okay, day, you are finished.
And then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas, yes, the best clothes.
We changed clothes many times today. Day clothes, home clothes, and pajamas.
My pajamas are blue and white with little stars.
Stars? That is very nice.
Mine are just gray, a gray t-shirt and gray pants.
Gray is a very calm, relaxing color. Good for sleep.
Okay, so I am in my pajamas. I am ready for bed. Do you go to sleep right away?
No, not yet. First, I check my phone.
Sarah, they say the phone is bad before sleep.
I know, but I do 2 important things.
What?
1, I set my alarm for the morning.
Oh, yes, me too. I set my alarm for 7 a.m.
Me too, 7 a.m. We are alarm twins. 2, I look at the weather for tomorrow.
Ah, that is smart. So you know if it rains, you need your umbrella.
Exactly. And then I put my phone far away, not next to my bed.
What do you do before you sleep?
I read.
Again? You read in your chair and you read in your bed.
Yes, but this is different. I get in my bed with my pillows, and I read my book.
A real paper book?
Yes, I love the feeling of the paper. I read for just 10 minutes, or maybe only 5 minutes.
And it makes you sleepy?
Yes, my eyes get very heavy, and then I turn off the light.
Ah, that is a perfect routine. Very calm.
Thank you. And then I close my eyes and good night.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, David.
Wow, Sarah, our time is all gone.
Oh, you are right. Time flies when we talk about night routines.
It does. This was a very relaxing conversation. I feel sleepy now.
Oh, no. Well, we hope this was very helpful for all of you at home.
We hope you learned some new English words for your evening, like pajamas, relax, brush my teeth, or homebody.
It is, and please don't forget to subscribe to Davy Speak English and give this episode a like if you had fun.
And share it with a friend. If you have a friend learning English, we would love for them to join us.
Yes, thank you all so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful evening and a good night. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.